Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Montego Bay and we are giving you an update on the Unico hotel being built in Lilliput, Montego Bay. Now this is one of three massive hotels to be built out here. This is actually the smallest of the three. This one, the Unico, is going to be 451 rooms, but look at the size of this development. I mean, that structure at the back, and then to the right of that structure is another massive structure. So the company that operates the Unico also operates. They're going to be building a Hard Rock hotel and casino out here, and then they're going to be building another hotel, Half Moon, not Half Moon, Moon. Oh, when I remember, I'll tell you. It's the one that's in Hoteliers. Moon Palace? Is that the name of it? But three massive hotels. And this one we're looking at is the smallest of the three. This one is only 451 rooms. The other two will be over 1,000 rooms each. And in all, over almost 3,000 rooms will be at this property. Now, to the right of this development is Ibera Star, another massive hotel. And this entire strip that we're looking at is part of the Elegant Corridor that actually runs from Montego Bay, from the Sangster International Airport back to this point. And one thing I must say, this is a massive development, but it is also moving so quickly. Every time I come out here, I'm amazed at how much progress has been made. And it's a Dominican contractor. The contractor is from the Dominican Republic. And you know they have a lot of hotels over there. I think that's the only country in the Caribbean that has more hotel rooms than Jamaica today. But it's just a matter of time before Jamaica will overtake them with more hotel rooms. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.